Hi everybody, this is Dr. Nathan Garowitz from Innate Life Chiropractic. This video is being shot inside of our new home. We are at Suite 104 on 4880 Euclid Avenue, which is just 2 doors down from Dr. Rob Garowitz's office, which is where we have been for the last year. We are so excited to be in our new space, and I'd like to personally invite you to come to our grand opening, which is this Saturday from 11 to 3 right here, and we're going to have games, food, and we're also going to have a raffle. This raffle will include prizes that are designed to help improve your health and the health of your family. And our grand prize is an overnight stay at Hotel Lincoln in Lincoln Park. And I'd really like to thank Hillary, Lee, and Miranda from Hotel Lincoln for graciously providing this. We're so excited for you to come. And here's how you can get raffle tickets. Number one, please come to the grand opening this Saturday, and everyone who comes gets a raffle ticket, and if you bring someone, they get a raffle ticket, and you get an extra one. The other thing you can do is leave a Facebook review or a Google review for Innate Life Chiropractic, and you will get 3 raffle tickets. And here's the big one. If you shoot a video testimonial and send it to us, or if you refer someone in between now and next Friday, when we're going to conclude the raffle, and call it, you get 5 raffle tickets. So again, you get 1 if you come to the open house, you get 3 if you leave a Google or Facebook review, and you get 5 if you refer someone in or create a video testimonial, and we can also do that right here in the office. And again, the grand prize is an overnight stay at Hotel Lincoln in Lincoln Park. The grand opening is this Saturday from 11 to 3, 4880 Euclid Avenue, Suite 104. I look forward to seeing you then. Bye-bye.